So sorry about that, kids. Apparently my memory got full, or my data or wherever, and it just pooped out on me. So number 10 was 3 and 8800ths. Number 11. If I look at this, tens, hundreds, thousands. That's telling me the the denominator is going to be in the thousand spot. So 1,000, not thousand spots, in the 1,000. 8 is my whole number because it's before the decimal, and 450 is my numerator. So 8 and 450 thousandths. So now it's asking us to read and then write in decimal form. So this is 5 tenths. So the tenths place is right here. There's only one, so I put a 5. 9 and 1,000ths. So 9 is, and this is telling me there's a decimal. So there's my decimal, so it's 9 and 1,000. So I have to go tens, hundreds, thousands, and it's 1,000, so the 1's going to go there. Because if I put the 1 here, then it would be 100,000s. We want 1,000s. 10 and 200ths. Well, this is showing me there's a decimal. 10 and 200ths. So there's my hundreds. 200ths. The 2 goes right here. Because remember, if I switched it, it'd be 20 hundredths. 608 thousandths. So there's no and, so there's no decimal. 608 thousandths. So I have to go tens, hundreds, thousands. And it says 608. Well, I want that last number to be in the thousandth spot. So now I just need to write 608. So 608 thousandths. So now this is writing an expanded form. So you're taking the place value, the number that's in the place value, and multiplying it by the place value. So if I look at this, I'm looking at the 1, and that's in the 1 spot, 10 spot. So I'm going to take 1 times 10. Next number is to the right of it is 4. That's in the 1 spot. So I'm going to take, you have to add on 4 times 1. The next number would be 2, and that's in the 1th spot. The 10th spot. So that's going to be 2 times 1/10. And then I'm going to add on the 5, which is in the 100th spot. 5 times 100ths. So if we look at 17, we're going to take 320 and 401 thousandths. So we're starting with the 3, 1s, 10s, hundreds. So 3 times 100. The 2 is in the 10th spot, so 2 times 10. The 1 is in the the 0 is in the 1 spots, but there's nothing there, so you just leave it alone. The 4 is in the 10th spot, so 4 times 1/10. Oops, sorry, there's your 0. Another 0, so we do nothing. And then the 1 is in the 1,000th spot, so 1 times 1,000ths. So I want you to pause it, do 18 and 19, and I will show you the answers in a moment. So 18 and 19. I can zoom in right here. 18 is 6 times 1 plus 8 times 1,000ths. And 19 is 1 times 1,000 plus 8 times 10 plus 6 times 1 plus 9 times 1/10. Now if I look at number 20, eek. A new container of hobby beads contains 1,000 beads. Sarah has 1 new container and 14 leftover beads. What decimal number represents the number of containers Sarah has? So it's asking what decimal number represents the number of containers Sarah has. Well, she has 1,000 beads and 14 left over. So if I look at that, that's one hole.